Welcome to Harmony Public Schools. My name is Kevin.
My name is Mohammed.
My name is Amar.
And our topic is on balsa wood bridge design and construction.
Alright, the reason why we use balsa wood is because it's a really thin wood and then it's really hard to work with. And also because we use some materials, so balsa wood, xacto knife, and
Glue gun, ridging ruler, cutting board to make sure no one gets cut, safety reasons. And speaking of safety, you want to use gloves because you don't want any scratches or anywhere.
And since the procedures for this is really optional, honestly, what you really want to start with is the base of the bridge and then build downward to up. Because what happens is then you have a base and then you're able to attach your stands or whatever, and then you're the top part. And also, it's really honestly optional.
And then so for our ELA component, we try to write an essay on which one is better, a beam bridge or an arc bridge. So telling you a little bit about both. Arc bridges are mainly for longer bridges. The forces are more evenly matched on every side. And for beam bridges, it is more even, but at the same time, in that opening part, it's not really having that much force. So that therefore you have to use smaller bridges. But for arc bridges, it's actually a lot better because nowadays in the modern world, people use very big bridges. So arc bridges is what we use nowadays.
So for our social studies component, we looked into the history of bridges and how they've been used throughout history to allow humanity to bridge divides between land as well as sea. And some of the most famous examples of bridges are the Golden Gate Bridge constructed in 1933, the Brooklyn Bridge constructed in 1869, and the Tower Bridge constructed in 1866, I believe.
And thank you for watching our project.